Well, I bit the bullet and I picked up a Glock 19 the other day. This is a Gen 5 gun, has serrations on the front and rear. Has the ambidextrous slide stop. And what I'm planning on using this for is to run in production class and USPSA competition. This is my Gen 4 Glock 23. The guns are about the same size. They're built on the same frames. The biggest difference, one's Gen 4, one's Gen 5. There's no finger grooves on the Model 19. And it has the marksman barrel in it. I'm running in production class, USPSA right now, trying to get ratings in all classes. I've been shooting my Beretta 92, and it's been a good gun, but I really shoot more Glocks in competition, believe it or not, now than anything else. I've been running my Glock 22 in limited. To a lot of people, this is a perfect size gun. It's big enough you can shoot it well. It's small enough you can conceal it. There really isn't a whole lot I can say about the Model 19 that hasn't been said. So far, I like it. I've shot a bunch of them over the years. I'm really starting to like these Gen 5 guns as I get used to the changes on them. I got this through the Blue Label program, which gives me about $150 off on the retail. And so it ended up being a good buy. The gun carries a 15 round capacity in the magazine plus one in the chamber. That gives you 16 rounds on board. Production class rules have been changed to allow for a 15 round capacity. Other than this, it's a plain Jane Glock. I have a back plate on the way that should be here today that has a square and compass on it, like I've got on this one. I'll probably carry this one, put it in the rotation, and see how it works. I'm not really a 9mm guy, but if you can shoot it quickly and accurately, well, more power to you. It's probably going to be a short video because really, the gun's good. It's reliable. The ammunition to train with it is relatively cheap when we compare it to 40 or 45. And if you can shoot it accurately with good ammunition, it can make a great defensive tool. The one drawback I have found over the years is the 9mm is not the best woods cartridge. So it gives me another option. If I need a more powerful cartridge, I can go to the Glock 23 in a similar size package. If it's going to be something where 9mm is going to be more than adequate, then I'm going to end up shooting the Glock 19 later on.